One of the most frequent questions we get asked is how to layer the underglaze transfer and paint on top of it. In this video, I will show you the techniques I use to create this alien plate. First, I cut out the design element I will need to create this scene. I'm cutting each design element close to the outline for a clean look. Once everything is cut and I'm happy with the placement, I will begin by dabbing the transfer with a rinsed out sponge, then burnish the surface with a rubber rib. Next, I will layer the cityscape pattern on top of the alien. When working the transfer into your pottery, be mindful that your sponge is not too wet. If you add too much water to the surface of your transfer, the ink will bleed. Before peeling off the transfer, I will add a beautiful blue sky to the background of this scene. I'm using Amico Velvet Underglaze for this demo. However, you can use any type of Celadon underglaze. I'm adding couple strokes of light blue to give the sky a little more depth. Before your underglaze ink dries, carefully peel off the transfer paper, starting with the top layer. Use a sharp X-Acto knife to help you lift the corners of the transfer. Once all the transfer paper has been removed, I will begin painting the plate. This is my favorite part of the process. It feels like I'm completing an adult coloring book. If your underglaze ink is thick, add little water to it and apply a thin coat. This will allow your glaze to be translucent and the black outline under your glaze to show clearly. After this plate is dried, I will bisque fire it to cone 04. Then apply a Celadon glaze on the surface and complete the final firing at cone 6. Here is the result of the final firing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you next time.